Swagatam to class 8, semester 1, chapter 2, Chitrapadani. Chitrapadani is a Sanskrit word which means Chitra is picture and Pada is word. Using picture dictionary concept, we are going to learn how to say plural of each and every gender and objects. So let's start from the very basic. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते। मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता। नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। हमारे साथ जुड़िए। प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आरंभम कुर्मः। आ जाते हैं एक सुंदर जगह पे। हमारे पास है इस ठंडी ठंडी जगह पे गरम गरम चाय। और कहाँ पे है? इस ग्लास में। अ ग्लास इन संस्कृत इज कॉल्ड चषकः. Now if this is चषकः, this is also चषकः, one more चषकः and one more चषकः. What I get is चषकाः, यानी बहुत सारे ग्लासेस. चषकः, चषकाः. So what I did, I just added one a followed by visarga, so it became plural of chashakaha. Talking about striling, this is mapika. If this is mapika, this is also a mapika, and this is also a mapika. So mapika, mapikaha. Here also ending a is already there. After adding visarga, it becomes a plural form. Mapika, mapikaha. Now let's see Napusakling Shabda. This is called Kankatam. Kankatam. One more Kankatam. One more and one more. Kankatam, 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 Kankatam. Now we are going to remove the half ma. Kankatam, Kankatani. The letter is a followed by ni. I added ani to make it a plural form. Kankatani, meaning so many combs. Do you want one? देखो तो पर्वत पे कौन बैठा है? On the mountain there are gajaha. Gajaha, gajau, gajaha. We are not going to learn dual द्विवचनम in class 8 गुजरात बोर्ड, लेकिन हमें चाहिए कि बहुवचन आप अच्छे से कर लो. Because here this is a form of pullinga bahuvachanam. We are doing masculine gender and gajaha are there also and elephants gajaha are here also. But which pronoun to say for those are elephants and these are elephants? वह हाथी है, यह सारे भी हाथी है. So I will be using te gajaha. For singular in chapter 1, I used saha. If there is one elephant, I will say saha gajaha. Saha and the plural form is te. Te gajaha. For nearby, I will just add a. Whatever is there, I'll repeat it and add a. Ete gajaha. Ye sab hathi hai. By the way, do you remember the last year? Class 6. Hasti, Hasti, Hasti Geetam. If not, you are not going to miss it. Just check out the class 6 link for the song. It was a beautiful elephant song in Sanskrit. Let's move on. Rabbits are called Shashaha or Shashakaha. Shashakaha, Shashakaha, Shashakaha. Shashakaha. Plural form will be Shashakaha. Te के वो कौन है? ते शशकाहा. वो सब खरगोश है. एते के एते शशकाहा. ये सब शशक है यानी खरगोश है. अब आते हैं सरोवर में. In this pond we are having many hamsaha, meaning swan. Tell me in the comment if you know which goddess rides on the swan, Hamsa. Is it Lakshmi, Saraswati, Parvati or other? Please comment and let me know the answer if you know. So hamsaha, hamsaha, hamsaha. The plural will be hamsaha. Hamsaha are here also and far away there also. Te hamsaha. वो सब हंस है. Those are swans. Ete hamsaha. These are swans. Let's come to a beautiful farm. किसे देखने के लिए? बकरे को नहीं, बकरी को देखने के लिए चलिए, क्योंकि बकरी यानी कि अजा is a स्त्रीलिंग शब्द, a feminine gender, and feminine gender ending in a, अजा, 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 अजाहा. यहाँ पे भी अजाहा, वहां पे भी अजाहा. कैसे बोलेंगे? ते और एते तो पुल्लिंग के प्रोनाउंस थे, पुल्लिंग के सर्वनाम. In masculine gender we are going to use taha. Correct. ताहा, अजाहा, ताहा काहा, वो सब कौन है? Those are goats. एताहा काहा, एताहा अजाहा, ये सब goats है. These are goats. तो वो बकरियां है, ये बकरियां है. ओके. फेस्टिवल की सीजन है, महिला है वहां पे रंगोली कर रहे हैं और लड़कियां यहाँ पे दिए जलाकर कुछ सेल्फी और कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स के लिए तैयार हुई है. और ये हम कह रहे हैं बालिकाहा. बालिका, बालिका, बालिका. बहुवचन विल बी बालिकाहा. महिला, 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 महिलाहा. So these are girls, those are mahila, women. So we will use taha for far. Taha mahilaha, those are women. Etaha balikaha, these are girls. Balikaha mahilaha. Now we will talk about not chaklo but chakli, meaning a female sparrow. Sparrow is called chataka. So chataka, chataka, chataka. चटको वागे ए नहीं. एताहा चटकाहा. These are sparrows. और जो आकाश में उड़ रहे हैं वो कौन है? Of course, वो भी वही है. ताहा काहा, ताहा चटकाहा, वो सब sparrows है. Those are sparrows. ताहा, एताहा. Now let's talk about napusakling gender, neuter, meaning phalam, pustakam, kridanakam, the words having a followed by ma. Now we are going to use bahuvachanam as such. Pustakam, 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 pustakam. So many books. I'll say pustakani. Apart from this boy, of course. Pustakani. Etani. Pustakani. Etani. Kani. Etani pustakani. He is standing in a library, so of course जो दूर शेल्फ है वहां पे भी बहुत सारे पुस्तक है. तानी, कानी, वो सब क्या है? तानी पुस्तकानी. नपुंसकलिंग में हम सर्वनाम में these and those कहने के लिए तानी और उसमें ए लगा करके एतानी का प्रयोग करते हैं. और पुस्तक जो शब्द है उसमें आ की मात्रा और नी लिखकर उसका बहुवचन बनाते हैं. अब नपुंसकलिंग की बात करें तो इन नपुंसकलिंग देयर इज वन कंडीशन. हियर इट इज यूज्ड चित्राणि फॉर पिक्चर्स, पेंटिंग्स. चित्रम, 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 चित्रम. सो मेनी चित्राणि. Why there is no na and there is ana? So let me tell you in short. If in any word there are these three people, half ra, half sha or re, then these people will frighten the na that is on the end and na tends to run away. Na भाग जाएगा तो उसकी जगह पे ana will be coming and sitting because ana is brave and strong. वो किसी बुली करने वाले से नहीं डरता, तो इसीलिए इसमें आनी का यूज नहीं हुआ. और आणी का यूज हुआ है. So let's complete the sequence of the same tani and etani using this. तानी, कानी, तानी, चित्राणी, वो सब चित्र है. Those are the pictures, paintings. एतानी, चित्राणी, these are pictures, paintings. क्या आप अपने किचन में जाके मम्मा की हेल्प करते हो? If not, come, let's help me clean these utensils. What are utensils called? पात्रम, 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 पात्राणी. यहाँ पे भी in the word पात्र शब्द में र है. Slightest of र होगा ना, then also this na will tremble, shiver and just run away. And this place will be taken by ana. So not patrani plus patrani, not na, ana. Etani patrani, these are utensils. Tani, kani, tani patrani, those are utensils. In the last chapter, we learned the singular of you and me. I was aham, you was tvam. Aham acharya, tvam chhatrah, tvam chhatra. Similarly, now we are going to learn the plural form of the same thing. The plural forms are shikshika, 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 shikshikaha. We can say vayam shikshikaha. All of us are female teachers. And now we can say them, yuyam sainikaha. All of you are soldiers. Of course, belonging to different countries, but soldiers. Now, these boys are saying, vayam balakaha. All of us are boys. Yuyam balakaha. All of you are boys. So, ये भी boys है, वो भी boys है. लेकिन फर्क कहाँ हुआ? जब हम खुद कहते हैं हम सब, तो we will use हम सब के लिए vayam. तुम सब, yuyam. That's the only difference. These ladies are saying, vayam mahilaha. हम सब महिलाएं हैं. All of us are women. And they are saying to all of them, yuyam balikaha. All of you are girls. तुम सब लड़कियां हो. So here is the conclusion of the chapter 2. So please make a thing to write this in your Tippani Pustakam, meaning your notebook. Here we have categorized pulling, strilling and napusakling words. Again, if you want to write, you can write in English, M for masculine, F for feminine, N for neuter gender. And these words te, taha and tani are respectively their far away pronoun, meaning this is the plural form. So I will write those. Ete, etaha, etani are the nearby meaning. So when it is near or nearby, I will use these. And rikshaha, lataha, phalani are used as examples to complete our sentences. I can also mention patrani because we need one example where ani, default ani value can be changed into ana. So our sentence will be, if I come here and say far away things, you can see vrikshaha there. Yes. Te vrikshaha. You can see up, creepers. Taha lataha. Can you see the fruits? Tani phalani. Now if I come near, then ete vrikshaha, etaha lataha, etani phalani. I'm just trying to say that after adding a, the meaning is near, these. We also learned two new words, vayam and yuyam. It can also be written like this with a anuswar at the top. So what are the meanings? Vayam means all of us. Hum sab. Yuyam means all of you. तुम सब. So because it is बहुवचन, we are using all and सब word. So इतने लंबे ट्रांसलेशन के बाद हमें सिर्फ 2 लेटर वाले वयम यूयम संस्कृत में मिलते हैं. That's the beauty of Sanskrit language. I hope you understood the complete concept of bahuvachanam, near, far, and all of you and me. So let us go and learn beautiful chapters one by one and complete this year with enjoying Sanskrit with me. So meet you in the next chapter. Till then, Dhanyavadaha, Punarmilamaha. Do some Parokar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.